Hey guys, so let me show you the BookBeam description formatter. So chances are you have used some kind of description formatter before, or at least you know how it works. So, and in case you don't, what the description formatter is, it is basically like a text editor that allows you to edit, to format your description based on the formatting that Amazon allows us to use, based on the specific HTML code that Amazon allows us to do. So you don't have to first of all know any HTML, you don't have to do it. It can be slightly arduous, like just, sorting the tags and whatnot. And this is definitely a tool that can really help you to ease this part of the process. And we aim to, we didn't aim to just make just a simple description formatter. We actually aim to make it as easy to use as possible. So let me illustrate. So I'm gonna paste in a dummy description that I made here, and how it works is you're just gonna use it as a standard text editor. Just format the headlines that you like, format everything as you like it. Highlight specific points. Use the formatting to help express why your book is something valuable, why it is something that people are going to like, and why they should buy it and read it. And so I'm just going to do a couple more things just to illustrate some random italics here and so on. And so once you're done, you just copy it to your clipboard. Very simple, copy to clipboard, copied successfully. And it hasn't just copied just this text obviously to the clipboard. What it actually has done, if I click here to go to the source, so what it has copied to the clipboard is all of this formatted description with all the HTML tags. Everything's proper, everything's sorted, and all you have to do is just throw it over here into Amazon KDP. But that's not everything. So we wanted to go a step further and really see how we can make this tool really helpful and maybe slightly more professional. So what we did, and I think this is really cool, what we did is we actually, for lack of a better word, we copied Amazon's listing formatting, or simulated it, imitated it. So you can see whilst you are doing your formatting your description here, whilst you are doing that, you can actually see what the description is going to look like when when your book is published, and what the description is going to look like on the actual store. And so based on that, you can make different tweaks. You can see, maybe some things you don't like. Maybe you want to break up this paragraph, for example. Maybe you want to add some more bolds to help things to be easier to digest, and so on and so forth. So you can use this as a really cool kind of guide to make your description really pop and really stand out and do its job in the best way possible. So guys, that was the description formatter.